This is the ostrich.
I don't have here or through that hallway right there. Yep, that alley. Yep.
Hey, listen up.
You can enter
Coming from this spawn, we'll have this first hallway and the one right here. That is it. You can't go across or go any further. Got it?
And there's no shooting outside of CQB. The battle is in CQB. Once you're in CQB, you can shoot. Understand?
I picked the wrong gun.
Good?
Gotta go fast.
Yeah,
You're right.
Get that grenade ready.
Yeah, just chuck it in there. Oh, whoop, whoop.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're good, bro. You're good.
You just got ran over.
Yeah, somebody dropped something.
What happened?
Somebody dropped something. Oh, there it
Right
is.
there.
Okay. Right there.
Got it?
Yep. That's my buddy's.
Okay.
Yep.
Can't go that way. Can't go that way.
This? Yeah, this way.
This way. This way. CQB is the only way this way. All right. You just go to here so you don't bottleneck right here. I'm learning what.
Holy shit. This is not going to be fun.
Oh, I got hit!
It's gonna have to be a stack up.
Hey,
We pretty much won.
Merry Christmas.
Is that mine?
Yep. Dropped it.
Yeah, I figured. Good catch.
Yeah, no problem. It went under the car too, so we would have never found it.
So it's gonna be. Yeah. So that's unfortunate. You get that title away, then you don't.
We won? Oh my god. Game over.